I don't get it.
It's not, okay, I'll read you the definition. A pattern is a repeated form or a design or something that happens in a repeated way. So like the trees, here's some pictures, I'll show you guys, okay?
Oh, okay. Well, let's go see some more patterns.
You know, I have a friend with the magic school bus.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. We can go see patterns in nature.
Patterns in nature?
Yeah.
Call her.
A magic school bus!
Hi guys.
Hi.
Now there's one key to making my bus magic.
What's that?
My magical hat.
Woohoo!
Whoa!
Let's go.
Let's go! Everyone okay? Alright guys, we've got to our first stop. Have fun in the rainforest. Thank you.
Thanks.
I'm so excited to be in the rainforest. I hope we can find some patterns. Hi.
Hi.
Do you know where we can find any patterns? No?
Alrighty, well. Find them. We'll find them ourselves.
Yeah, jeez. Duh, Brooke.
I wish it wasn't raining.
Well, it is the rainforest.
Duh, Brooke. Okay. So, look at this leaf up here. Do you see how it has the different strands of the stems?
Uh-huh.
That's a pattern because it's repeating itself.
Cool. Wow.
I
Who
know.
knew they were everywhere?
I know. Now, I think I see a bug. We gotta
Ah!
go. Guys, what are we doing here?
We're climbing a tree.
We're learning about patterns.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a pattern on this tree.
There is.
Isn't there?
You're right. It's like cut up and then it's like placed next to each other like a pattern. It's repeating itself. Go find Breanna. Give me some. Let's go find another pattern.
Woohoo!
Oh, you gotta get those brakes fixed.
I'm so sorry you're sick. Well, we're at your second stop now. The Savannah of Africa. I hope you guys have fun looking at patterns.
Woohoo! Thank you. Whoa. This place is so cool.
It's beautiful here.
I sure hope we find some animals and we can see some really cool patterns.
I'm down for it.
Awesome.
Ride a zebra.
You're
It's not
crazy.
gonna happen.
Come on.
Come on.
Look, Brooklyn. It's a giraffe. You see the spots on the giraffe?
Uh-huh.
That's a pattern.
Oh my God, you're so right.
Where's Breanna? She's missing this.
No.
Breanna.
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 Where are you?
Ah, Breanna! I found a zebra! What are you doing?
I'm riding him. He has a pattern. Look at the stripes.
Oh my God, he's so
No,
nice.
that is a pattern.
You know, I heard zebras kind of have a temper. You better watch out.
I love it.
Where to, guys?
We're going to get Granny!
I don't know this destination.
We're at Granny's house! We're going to go look at patterns on Granny's farm.
I'm excited.
Thank
Have
you.
fun. Bye. Granny.
Granny! I don't see her anywhere. Granny! Oh my gosh! Hi, Granny!
Hi, Granny.
We came to look at your farm. We want to see all the animals, and we want to see all the patterns on the animals.
Can you show them to us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome!
Let's go.
Okay, guys, this is a peacock.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Do you see those patterns in its feathers?
Yeah.
I do see.
It has eye-shaped patterns all through its feathers.
And they're repeating because patterns repeat, right?
Very good. That is so cool.
Awesome, awesome. Let's go look at some more stuff. How about
Let's
that?
go. Bye, Mr. Peacock.
Okay, guys, this is a guinea hen. It has a white polka dot pattern on it.
I don't like it.
It's kind of scary.
But that's a cool pattern.
The white and the black dots and they're repeating.
No, I don't like it. Let's go.
Yeah, that was a good one, Granny, but no.
Wow! Thank you so much for taking us on your magic school.
It was really fun.
That was so much fun.
No problem, guys. I hope y'all understand patterns better now.
We sure
Thanks.
do.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
This is a guinea hen. It has white polka dot patterns.
So scary.
It's kind of scary.
I don't like
It's not
it.
scary.
It looks like a turkey.
It's so big.
2, 3.
Oh gosh. I wish Breanna could have came with us.
Me too. I feel really bad that she got sick.
I know, me too. I'm sorry about the breaks, guys.
You should feel sorry.
Thanks.
You're supposed to be positive. I'll let you do it. I was hoping nobody would laugh. You think do something like that, not laugh. I think it's going to make Dr. B laugh.
What is it? I'm videoing.
Does it look funny?
No.
Oh,
You're good.
all right. Oh my gosh.